Okay guys, here are 5 sparring combos that you can use against your opponent. So the first one is going to be slide up jab, step reverse punch. So we slide up, jab, then we step with our front leg, and then we do reverse punch, just like that. Number 2 is gonna be reverse punch, step reverse punch. So we do reverse punch, step, reverse punch. Number 3 is gonna be lunge, jab, reverse punch. So we're gonna lunge off the back of our leg, we're gonna lunge, jab, reverse punch. All right, number 5 is gonna be lunge, back knuckle, reverse punch. So same with the other one we just did. We're just gonna lunge on the back of our foot. This time, instead of the jab, we're gonna do a back knuckle. So we're gonna lunge, back knuckle, reverse punch. Hey guys, real quick, if you want to watch the full length of this video, check out my Patreon where I'm going to teach more about the footwork and the speed and the power and to better your combos that I'm going to share in this video. So check out my Patreon and I'll see you guys there.